Hello squaddies! Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. I am very excited about this one because it is officially the start of the holiday lean season, and we know this because Starbucks has released their Christmas drinks and their Christmas cups. And if you're like me, I am obsessed with their Christmas drinks. However, what I'm not obsessed with is the fact that they come packed with sugar and calories. We want to cut that out to make sure we feel our best this holiday season and don't put on any unnecessary weight, which is why I'm giving you an early Christmas present. I'm going to show you how to enjoy the toasted white mocha to the caramel creme brulee, the lean way, guilt-free, low sugar, low calories, and you're gonna enjoy every single sip of the leanness. Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this episode. And also, make sure you check out my other Starbucks hacks because you want to enjoy all of the healthy, tasty Starbucks drinks that I post about. And last but not least, I just want to say a quick mention about the new 6-week lean challenge. There's officially 8 weeks left in 2019, and what better way to end it than by feeling your best, transforming your health, your body, and getting going before the new year. It's a custom meal plan, workout plan, and online support to help you do exactly just that and get ready to smash 2020. So if you want to check that out, click the link below and learn more about it today. Now, back to our scheduled lean announcement, which is starting off with the first drink, the toasted white mocha. This drink is insane. It tastes so good, especially when you know you have made the decision to take it down from 430 calories all the way to 120. We are basically saving, well, I'm not a mathematician, but that's like, I'm gonna say 310 calories we saved, and we are avoiding 57 grams of sugar. I don't even know where to start. That is insanity at its finest. We should never, ever, ever be starting our day with one of those drinks. Likewise, if you're like me, I like to eat my calories, not drink them. Let's get down to how you order this tasty toasted white leanified mocha. First things first is ask for a grande blonde cafe misto. Number 2 is ask for almond milk. Step number 3 is ask for 1 pump of white toasted mocha sauce. And then step number 4 is ask for 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. And that, squaddies, is all there is to ordering the leanified toasted white mocha. And remember, if you order this one, because it's one of my favorites, tag me on Instagram and let me know how you enjoy the leanness. I guarantee you won't be able to tell the difference. It's also so rewarding knowing that we are cutting out all those unnecessary calories and sugar. Which brings me to the next drink, which is the Peppermint Mocha. In a standard Peppermint Mocha, guess how many calories? Come on, guess below, let me know. How many calories do you think? 440 calories. And to make matters even worse, there's 63 grams of sugar in it. The good news is that I've got a leanified option that, again, tastes incredible and you won't be able to tell the difference. This drink only has 100 calories and 12 grams of sugar, and I'm gonna tell you how to order it right now. First things first is ask for a tall blonde Americano and make sure you get it in a grande cup. Then you're gonna add 1 pump of mocha, 1 pump of peppermint, ask for steamed milk, and that right there, squaddies, is how you order it. That's all there is to it. Another super easy drink order. There is still one more drink to go, which is the iced caramel brulee latte. However, we're having it the lean way because in a normal hot caramel brulee latte, guess how many calories? 450 calories. It just keeps getting worse, which is why, again, I'm sharing with you this leanified option, and it's also a cold option to mix it up in case you are somewhere hot like I am in Florida right now. So, how do you order the iced caramel brulee latte? I'm glad you guys asked, because I'm going to tell you right now. First things first is ask for a grande cold brew, ask for 1 pump caramel brulee sauce, 3 pumps sugar-free vanilla, and just a splash of cream. And right there, you're gonna have, again, one of my favorite cold Christmassy options. It tastes incredible. and only has 80 calories. This is actually the lowest calorie drink that I've shared with you guys and still has an incredible taste. I really hope you guys test them out, and remember, please tag me on Instagram so I can share you enjoying the leanness. I know you're gonna love them. They are my favorite, and they are going to make this holiday season not only more enjoyable but also a whole lot leaner. And our goal is to avoid any weight gain while still enjoying ourselves to the maximum. It's all about balance, and making leaner decisions like these are going to be a huge step in the right direction for you. So I'm really excited to share them. If you want to learn more about the 6-week lean challenge, do not hesitate. Commit today and let's start your transformation right now so you can start 2020 the lean way. There's no point in delaying it. I really do believe the best day to get healthier and fitter and leaner is right now. Otherwise, squaddies, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you back here next episode.